Ayurveda, the science of life. It is not just Ayurveda treatments, it is not just Ayurveda herbs, it is not just Ayurveda cooking, it is not just the Ayurveda body type, it is much more than that. So, Ayurveda is a holistic approach to the totality, which means healthy mind and the healthy body. The body, mind, and soul. It helps you to understand your body type. What is your body type? Vata, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, Kapha, Vata, Pitta, Pitta, Vata, Vata, Kapha, or Vata, Pitta, Kapha. And accordingly, if you eat and accordingly, if you have the lifestyle, you can really help yourself. So, Ayurveda helps you to live happy, healthy, and a beautiful life. Ayurveda.
Ayurveda is basically knowing yourself. As much as you know yourself, the life will be more easy, more smooth. And medicine part is the second part of Ayurveda. So it concerned with the good daily routine, good lifestyle and diet according to your body type. And Ayurveda is made of two words. First word Ayu, Ayu means life, and Veda, Veda means knowledge. So it is knowledge of life, knowing yourself, longevity of life, to lead a good and healthy life.
Lifestyle, the complete lifestyle. I mean body and mind. If physical body healthy, but mentally more thoughts, negativity in mind and depression, not happy. Ayurveda is the science of life, a complete knowledge of life, how we can live healthy. If we follow Ayurveda, if we follow the rules of Ayurveda, according to climate, according seasons, according age, what is good, what is not good for me, how we can live healthy. Then, and the complete philosophy of body and mind.